go to Google, write Dola AI, and click on the first result. Log in with your Google account, and from here, click on Create Video. If you click on the Model option, it's gonna show you an option to create Seedance 2.5 videos. Choose this one. Though the model supports up to 30 seconds, but this website can only generate 10 seconds for free every day. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and write your prompt. Hit Enter and wait for it. By the way, guys, if you want to know how I make realistic AI cinematic videos, check this video on my channel. I explained in details how to write Seedance 2.5 prompts that can give you the result you want from the first try. I'll leave the link in description. Now let's go back to our video and watch it together. And that's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.